Hello everyone, this is Gansham Bajaj. I hope you all are doing very well. In this video we are going to start chapter 1, chemical reaction and chemical equation. Chemical reactions are associated with chemical change. Whenever a chemical change occurs, chemical reaction is said to take place. Usually chemical reactions are irreversible. Let's see few examples of chemical reactions. Cooking of food is a chemical reaction. Fermentation of plants, vegetables, fruits, this is also a chemical reaction. Rusting of iron is a chemical reaction. Respiration is a chemical reaction. During inhale or exhale, oxygen combined with the blood and CO2 is released. This is a chemical reaction. Fermentation of grapes, which is used to make alcohol, it is also a chemical reaction. Fermentation of grapes, which is used to make alcohol, is a chemical reaction. Digestion of food is also a chemical reaction. When we take food with the help of mouth, then food passes through the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. In all this part, digestion of food take place, which is a chemical reaction. Food is broken down into small parts with the help of biocatalyst, which is called enzyme. So the digestion is a chemical reaction. Milk gets converted into curd due to chemical reaction. These are the examples of chemical reaction. Milk is left at the room temperature, and iron tawa is left exposed to humid atmosphere. Grapes get fermented, food is cooked, food get digested, and respiration. Let's understand with the help of activity. Clean a magnesium ribbon by a sandpaper. Hold it with a pair of tongs. Burn it using a spirit lamp. Collect the ash formed in watch glass. Now observe. It burns with a dazzling white flame. It burns with a dazzling flame, it changes into powder, and this powder is magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide is formed due to chemical reaction. Let's discuss about chemical equation. A chemical equation is the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction in the form of symbols and formula. A word equation describes chemical change using the name of reactant and products. This is the word equation. Magnesium plus oxygen forms magnesium oxide. The substances that undergo chemical change in the reaction are the reactants. Magnesium and oxygen are the reactants. And the new substance formed during the reaction is the product. Like magnesium oxide is the product. Reactants are written on the left side of the arrow and products are written on the right side. Let's see the chemical equation of the burning of magnesium reaction. The chemical equation is Mg plus O2 yields MgO. This equation is not balanced, that's why it is called skeletal equation. Unbalanced chemical equation is called skeletal equation. Let's discuss about balancing chemical equation. A balanced equation has same number of each element on both sides of the equation. Now question arises, on which law equations are to be balanced? So equations are to be balanced on the law of conservation of mass. Let's see an equation. Zn plus S2SO4, ZnSO4 plus S2. The number of atoms is equal on both sides. So this is the balance equation. To make a chemical equation more informative, the physical states of the reactant and product is mentioned along with their chemical formula. They are written in common brackets. Solids are denoted by writing small s. Liquids are denoted by small l. Gases are denoted by writing small g. Solution in water are denoted by writing in bracket AQ.